welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. Oh my goodness, what is that hair doing? I love saying things. And welcome. It's so good to have you here. I hope you're having a great day or the day of your choice. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. We would love to have you here. We do live streams. The royal we, here's my crown. Royal we do live streams and unboxings and mystery boxes and get ready with me. And today I'm going to do my first look with the Glamlite Pizza Slice palette. And this one is the Meat Lovers. Meat. And actually we have pizza on the way tonight for dinner. So this is very fitting. And I have never used this palette before. It is hard to open the box. But it's so, I just recently got introduced to Glamlite, so I know this is not the newest palette on the street, but I'm excited to use it and check it out and see. This is what it looks like inside the box. But I am new to Glamlite and I'm excited by Glamlite. I'm exacting this from the box. Pizza. I love pizza. We all love pizza. So let's get rid of this piece of plastic and look how beautiful this is. And there is a mirror. So let's do some swatches. So it looks like there are 10 colors in here. And I need to see how they kind of perform a little bit before I stick them on my eyeball. Stick it on my eyeball. Now stick it on my eyeball. Yeah. Stick it on my eyeball. I also like to make up songs. Stick it on my eyeball. Stick it on my eyeball. Yeah. Stick it on my eyeball. Oh my God. I am really a dork. And then I'll put the last two on. And the pigment is really nice. And this is how it looks all together. Stick it on my eyeball. Stick it on my eyeball. Yeah. I'm going to have to quit singing that song or you guys are going to run away. But I get to see how pretty these are. And they're all very pigmented. And the shimmers look fantastic. And I'm a shimmer hoe. Shimmer hoe. I'm going to start with chicken. Right here, the shimmer in my crease. And it did pick up on the brush. Let me get my little hair clip. So sweet. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Very pigmented. It looks gorgeous. And I will do the same on the other eye. I'm blending it out. That is beautiful. Let me blend that out. That is lovely. So now I have to figure out, where do we go? Where do we go now? Where do we go? Ow, where do we go? Sweet child, where do we go now? I'm going to go with the red, which is crushed red pepper. Where do we go now? I'm in a music mood. I hope you guys don't hate Love and Rockets. No, not Love and Rockets. Whatchamacallit? Guns N' Roses. I love Love and Rockets, and Guns N' Roses is just fine with me also. And that is a very hot, pinky kind of a red that is going down. So let's do something interesting. These cats, they're clever, you know. You want to say hi? Look, it's Rome. Hi, Rome. Mwah! The rescuer of boxes. Mwah. I have no idea what I'm doing with this eye look. I'm concerned with boxes and kisses from my sweet baby. That is all I know. I'm going to blend that out a little around that red. There's a little kick up in the pan, but it's actually really nice. This is blending out so pretty. So pretty. And now I'm going to get a new brush and take Bacon, which is this beautiful shimmer here, and go under my brow. It doesn't look like bacon. It doesn't smell like bacon. Doesn't smell like anything. I'm glad it doesn't smell like pizza, because that would get pretty old after a while. All right. And I'm going to go into this purple shimmer to go on my lower lid to tie it together, or just to make a giant pretty mess. I'm just going for it. I don't know if this is a good look or not, but it's what I came up with. Not everything can be a winner. I think I am going to go a little darker in the outside crease with Salami, which is this really beautiful wine color. All right, that is the look. Let's do some liner and lashes and get this crack-a-lackin'. And this is not an open one. Oh look, I've got a Glamlite eyeliner that I got in my foodie box that I got last month. And it has a very great tip. So cute. Now let's do some mascara with some Marc Jacobs. Pump some air in there, dry it out a little bit. Oh, that's a pretty lash. We got a little smudge. And so I'm going to do my other lash. Super pretty. And now for my lips. There's so many things to choose from to go with this beautiful warm look. I think I'm going to go with this color, which is number 150, which is Pathfinder from Maybelline Super Matte Ink, Super Stay Matte Ink. Ah, yeah. And here we go. We have our great look with the Glamlite Pizza Lovers palette. It is super cute, and I'm having a super awesome day with all this brightness. I hope you have a great day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.